Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video I thought I would do like one of those get ready with me, because I'm going to my friend's wedding today. So she's actually not getting married till tomorrow, but it's in Southport, so it's about 50 minutes away from where I live. So I'm staying over tonight with her, and so I thought I could film a bit of the process, show you me getting ready, because for us women I feel like there's quite a lot of getting ready to do, from the fake tan, makeup, hair, outfits, accessories. There's just so much to do. So I'm staying over tonight with her, and then I'm staying over on the wedding night as well with James in an Airbnb. So I need to pack my bags now, get everything sorted, and then yeah, just thought I'd show you like the tan that I use, makeup that I'm using, what I'm packing for my little weekend away. I need to sort my hair out. I did a bit of quick makeup this morning, so that'll be fine now for most of the day. But yeah, and hopefully in this video I can get a few little clips of the wedding, if she says that's okay. It's not as often that I do these like vloggy style ones where I carry the camera around with me. Hopefully it's not shaking all over the show. But yeah, I thought I'd just kind of carry in my pocket and show you what I'm packing and me getting ready basically for the big day. So I hope you enjoy. If you do, please give it a big like because it really helps, and consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, and I've got a couple of hours now to get myself sorted, and I'm probably filming instead because just like putting off having to think about all the things that I need to pack. So I better get started. So the first step in the getting ready process for me is the fake tan. So last night I had my shower, did all my shaving and everything, scrubbed any tan off that I had previously on, and then applied a new load of tan again. So I've used the Bondi Sands Aero Tan. I've used that a couple of times now and I love it. And then I spray my face with the Saint-Tropez Purity Vitamins, I think it's called. So then I leave that on all night, go to bed looking like an Oompa Loompa, wake up, James thinks he's got a different girlfriend. Then I have a shower in the morning, and then I washed up my hair this morning. Usually I wash my hair the night before like an event, and because I knew I had to get in the shower in the morning anyway to wash off the excess tan, I thought I'll just wash my hair at the same time, and then that leaves like a really nice natural looking glow. And then each night before I go to bed I put on the Bondi Sands, I think it's called Milk Tanning Lotion or something like that, which just keeps the tan topped up, nice and moisturised, smells quite nice as well, and just prolongs the tan. So this is the tan I use, the Bondi Sands Aero Tan. So it's like a foam when it comes out, and I think it's about £20-ish, so it's not the cheapest tan, but I've experimented with quite a lot of tans over the years, and it is a really nice one. I've gone for the ultra dark, which at first seemed a little risky, but it's definitely worth it. It's not that dark like once you wash it off the next day. So I'd say for anybody wanting a nice tan, I'd just get the ultra dark. And then that's the Saint-Tropez one I use on my face. As you can see, I've not got much left of that now. That's quite dear as well, but I try and get it in Boots when it's on offer. Sometimes it's like 20 or 30% off, or you can buy one get one half price. But I find that really easy like when I'm working, and if you just want like a quick tan on your face and neck, I can just spray it over. I barely have to like rub it in. You can just spray and leave it, and it's just really nice and even. And then I've got the Bondi Sands tanning mitt that I use, which is really good. It's got quite a nice wide opening, so it doesn't pull your tan off when you're pulling the mitt off. It's well made, so it doesn't rip easy at the side once you've got your hand in it like this all the time. So definitely recommend those. I think they're about £5.99. And then also before a tan, I just really heavily moisturise. So at the minute I've just got the E45 cream. A couple of weeks ago I had the Nivea cream. Yeah, any decent moisturiser will do. I just really get into all the places that get quite dry, so my elbows, knees, back of the heels, anywhere where you've applied tan before and it tends to cling to and looks darker than other areas. So yeah, ankles, back of the heels, knees, elbows and hands. Smother your hands in moisturiser, and then just leave that to soak in for like 10-15 minutes before applying the tan, and then it just makes it go on a lot smoother. It doesn't cling to any dry patches. It does say on the tan as well, if you want an extra deep tan, if you wait half an hour after you've applied the first lot of tan, you can then apply more. So I tend to do that just on like the bottom bit of my legs, what's that called, like near where your calves are, and my arms and things, and a bit on my chest. I just wait about 20 minutes usually, and then just reapply another lot of tan, because I know I'm gonna like wash off the excess tan the next day. So don't panic if you're looking at yourself thinking, oh my god, who am I? And then this is what I use just to keep the tan topped up. So it's the Bondi Sands Everyday Gradual Tanning Milk. It's quite a big bottle of that as well, and that kind of comes out, it looks like a moisturiser. It's not like a really dark colour or anything when it comes out. Yeah, it does just say body moisturiser on it, but it really gives the tan like an extra long lasting feel, and yeah, it doesn't smell like terrible like some of them do. And I think that's about £10-ish, but I use that loads when we were travelling in Australia, just to give me like a bit of a natural glow every now and then. I quite like them as well when you can stand them up and they've got the pump top on them, just find it easier, but still apply it with the mitt because the next day you'll wake up with orange hands. So I'm just going to curl my hair because it's looking a bit flat. I usually have some sort of curls or bounce to my hair, just find it easier to play with when it's got a few curls in it. So I'm just going to use my 20-year-old Remington curler, but it does the job. Just looks a bit battered, poor thing. I've never done my hair in a viewfinder before, so I'll just part it Stick this side up out the way. I am having my hair done tomorrow. I'm going to do my own makeup, which is usually fine for me, but I'm not as great at hair, so I'm going to pay to have that done and hope I like it, because I've had it done in the past and not been the biggest fan. But tonight I'll just be seeing the bride and staying with her, and then we're going for an Italian, I think, with her family. So when I'm curling, I try and do them different ways. So that one I'll do this way. I feel like I really need to get a move on. It's making me sweat. Okay, so I've curled all my hair now. I just tend to like brush it out with my fingers once I've curled it, but it usually keeps its curls for quite a while. But I'm now just going to put a big clip in it just to keep it all out of my face while I have to pack my bags, because hair down is not practical. Okay, so I'm getting there now. I've got most of the things lay out on the bed so I can see exactly what I've got. So I tend to like to go through every drawer that I use every day and then see exactly what I need and then put it on the bed. So I've got a little suitcase that I'm going to pack, and then I'll probably take another bag as well. I just struggle with like clothes for the day. I always end up taking more than I need because I'm like, what if I don't feel like wearing that? And usually when I go abroad, I'll buy like miniatures of everything, but I just haven't bought miniatures for this trip, so it means I've got all the big bottles to take with me. So I've just laid everything out like this on the bed. So I've got my makeup. So the foundation I use is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and I also really like the filter as well. I've used it that much that the name of it is rubbed off, but that's really good to apply underneath the foundation just to give it like a bit of a glow. And then I've got the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I've got eyelashes. I bought 2 pairs because I wasn't sure which ones to go for. These foundations are like a bit of a backup in case something happened to these. You know, you never know. I might drop one and smash it and then I've got no foundation, so I brought these other 2. So I've got these eyelashes. So these ones I've used before. So they're pre-glued, which is super handy. So you can literally just peel them off, stick them on. They're really sticky and they seem to last for ages. They don't feel like they're peeling off in the corners of your eye. So I really like those. And then I also got these as well because I saw these recommended recently, the Ardell Wispies, which look a bit more natural. They're not as long as those, I don't think, so you have to add the glue yourself to those, so I will maybe try those out as well. I've just got my makeup bag, my La Vie Belle perfume from Lancome, which I love, all my hair bits and bobs, deodorant, this is a heat protector, and a little mirror which always comes in super handy. I've packed all my fake tan in here just so that it stays protected and doesn't leak on anything. A few random socks. I have a few of these little like makeup bags that I find really handy for just different things. This one's got all my shower stuff in. This one I've got like all my jewellery in, so it's a bit smaller, and this is just like what I have next to me at night, just like lip balm and other bits and bobs. I've got my Spanx for the dress, pyjamas, and I just need to figure out what I'm going to wear tonight for the meal and just travelling in and stuff. Okay, so I'm very nearly packed now. I've got most of my makeup and things in this bag. Got to take slippers everywhere you go, and then basically just the little case down there. And then a really good dress tip is just to put like a bin bag over your dress, and then the hanger can just stick out the top, and you don't have to worry about any like dirty bits getting on it or spills or anything like that. That when we moved house as well, with all my clothes that were on rails in the back of the removals van, just to make sure none of them got ruined. I might put another bin bag on at the bottom of that one. So the car's all packed up now and we're on the way. So hopefully I've got everything. It really stresses me out trying to remember to pack everything. I did make a few little notes on my phone. Yeah, I just wanted to show you my nails actually. I'm hoping you can see them okay on the camera if it focuses. There we go. So I've just glued them on myself. They were £8 from Boots and they came with like a glue, and then I've just filed them down to sort of how I want them to look. So from a distance they look alright. Up close, like you can see a bit of glue on the back of my fingers and stuff, but I'm quite pleased with those. So I was going to go and get them done. Usually I'll have like gel ones or acrylic, but I left it too late till like 2 days before, and then I couldn't get an appointment anywhere. And also I just don't like going to appointments and sitting there for ages. I always just feel like I've got better things to do, and I'm a bit tight with money, and I was just thinking that's like another 30 quid to get my nails done, and I'm not the bride, like no one will be looking at my nails up really closely, but I thought from a distance they'll do. So yeah, hopefully they look okay.